Welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. We are continuing with Terraform tutorial and we are going to see how we can install Terraform on Windows, Linux or any other operating system. Okay, in this video. So Terraform must be installed on your machine to run Terraform init, Terraform apply, Terraform destroy and Terraform plan, any command. Okay, so to install Terraform we have to download some appropriate package, okay, from the internet. Then how we can download it? We have to visit this site. Let me copy it. Okay, just go here, let me hit enter. From here we can download Terraform, right? So how we can install it? Install. So here we have to select our operating system like Windows. If we want to install, we have to download the binary, then we have to change to where we have installed, change the directory. Then we have to unzip the extract the file. Okay, then we can install this Terraform on our system. Okay, and if you want to install on Linux, then you can run just few commands. Then after that Terraform will get installed on your system. Okay, make sure whenever you are installing Terraform on Windows, you have to update the path variable. Okay, so you can check out the this document here. I will provide the link in description, so don't worry about it. So let's go back to the document here. So then after that we have to downloading the Terraform binary. So after the download is complete, unzip the download archive, downloaded archive. Okay, so you can use the following command to extract it. Okay, expand archive path, Terraform zip and destination path. So then after that we have to mention the Terraform and we can unzip it and we can install the Terraform. Okay, so I have a Ubuntu machine, so I cannot show you how we can do it. Okay, but you can refer to this document. Okay, and you can refer this instruction. After installing Terraform, you can just run Terraform -- version. So let me run it. Go to the terminal, new terminal. Okay, so let me run it, Terraform -- version. So let's see. Yeah, so Terraform version 1.5.7 on Linux. Okay, so I have Linux operating system and Terraform is already installed. The version is 1.5.7 as you can see, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then please do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting and please share with your friends as well if they are interested to learn Terraform and AWS. Okay, so you can share with your friends and you can support me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.